Converting PDF files into pictures is convenient for users to store files and review them. So how can we convert a PDF file into a picture? WPS can help us solve this problem quickly. Open any PDF document that needs to be converted into pictures. First, click Tools. In the File window, select the Export Images option. Here we can choose File to Long Image or Export Images. Select File to Long Image. We can see that all pages in the PDF file are combined into one long image, and we can view all the content with only one image. In the Select area, select the page number to be output. For example, here we select the first and third pages of the document. Click OK, choose Share, and select the corresponding sharing ways and storage location to output the long image successfully. In addition, we can also choose different image output styles to perfect the output image layout. We can also choose Export Images. Select the pages that need to be converted into images in the PDF and confirm the sharing ways and storage location. Here we choose Save Image. The picture is then saved in the phone album. It should be noticed that in the output picture layout, the SD with watermark output mode can be used by all ordinary users, and the WPS Premium can use HD without watermark output mode. You can use all the features by purchasing WPS Premium. Did you get it?